For couples who love to spend luxury time together, this incredible Insignia Premium Twin Shower is the very best in fully indulgent and immersive relaxation. This amazing shower possesses a whole host of advanced well-being features, including 3 different shower settings, top-spec multimedia system, LED chromotherapy lighting, plus much more. With this sensual shower, you can enjoy time alone or with your partner as you relax and rejuvenate. Listen to your favorite music, the radio, or even an audiobook as you take your shower. From Insignia's Monsoon shower heads, the twin batten shower heads, or even the 6 fantastic body jets. With leak-free tray design and a QuickClick system for faster construction, you'll be ready to experience this fantastic addition to your home in no time at all. Enjoy an amazing spa experience time after time with Insignia's Premium Twin Shower, because life is better when you share it.